Today I have an application review. The application is the official Twitter app, right there. It's the official Twitter app. Go ahead and search it, Mark. This will only work on if you have Android 2.1 or if you're running an Android 2.1 ROM, which I am. I'm running Cyanogen's 2.1 ROM. So here's a Twitter app. Brand new. Just released like today or tomorrow. Today or yesterday, I'm so sorry guys. But yeah, it's only for 2.1 ROMs, so you know, unless you have a rooted G1 or MIATS, it will really only work on the Nexus 1, Droid ARIS, Droid, all that stuff, all the things that actually run 2.1 ROMs. But I have it working on my G1, nice and rooted. As you do notice, if you set it, you can have notifications for your tweets, which I have for my tweets and I have for my mentions. Let's go ahead and pop this application open. Let's go home. So this is the UI you're greeted with. Down here you can have some of these trending topics, like FF and dirty talk gone wrong or stuff like that. And if you go into settings, you can sync, like if you have contacts that you have your Twitter ID in there, it'll sync up with like their pictures and stuff. And you can have notifications. You can set it to refresh every 5, 10, 15, 30, an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. You can select which you want notifications for, tweet, mentions, or direct messages. I have set to all three. You can set if you want it to vibrate, notification light. And this is pretty cool, I thought. And you can select what you want, TwitPic or YFrog, tinyurl, bit.url. But if you notice, the background is moving like it's an animated background. That does slow the application down just a little bit, but not too much. You have, so at the beginning you're greeted with this very simple UI, like your direct messages, your mentions, your main timeline pretty much, your lists, and then you can check your retweets by me, by others, or just straight up retweeted. And then we can go to like my profile, and it'll show my picture, what I've tweeted. And then up top here you have like a search. You can search for trending topics. I can search tweets, or I can go to the tweet and it'll get my location for one. So if I wanted to like tweet my location, see how it's getting my location, and then you can type app and then you can select to upload a photo, take a picture, or add, and then see there's my location. I turn my location off. And you can just hit update, it'll tweet. But as I said, very simple UI, really nice. And then if we go home, let my home screen load back up. This also has widgets. This is the large widget. You can, one second guys, let me turn that glare. Oh, there we go. You can like see your tweet, you can see your fellow tweet, you can see your tweets. And if you hit this arrow, which I'm failing at, you can just scroll through your tweets, go back, and I can go from right here to what's happening, and it'll take me right there. And then this is the other widget. This is just a smaller widget. Let that load up. That's just a small widget. You can see the most recent tweet. And like I said guys, it only works on 2.1, which I do have. But that's been my app review of the official Twitter app. If you're on YouTube, go down to the description below and click the link. If you're on the Droid sector, look below for a written description. Peace.